Mother's first hug, it's not the story of afterbirth that we usually think of, but long before that, at early stages of pregnancy, it's about a story of cellular communication. Research has shown that mother and baby are communicating each other at very early stage, and it should be very precise and accurate so it can lead to a successful pregnancy. And this communication is mediated by different factors. Overall, this interaction helps mother and baby to hug each other more tightly at cellular level. Among these factors are extracellular vesicles, or in short, EVs, that can mediate this interaction by transferring different information in form of different cargo. And overall, this process that the embryo comes and attached to the maternal cells is called implantation. And we need to know that with all the advances in assisted reproductive technologies, the rate of failure in this particular stage is still high. So we start to think to further investigate how this process mediated by EVs can affected by stress. But why stress? First, here my PhD starts. We focus on stress because we are living in a world facing different forms of stressors. It could be individual factors, such as obesity, or bad daily habits, such as excessive smoking or drinking, that can affect this process. And also, environmental pollution is more general factors that could be mentioned here. But you might think that these factors could be avoidable. But we need to consider that there might be long-term effects that we need to consider. Also, there are certain diseases, such as cancer, that affect and induce certain stress, for example, hypoxic stress in certain tissues. So we start looking at when maternal cells are under stress, how it affects the EV release and their cargo, and how it affects the embryo. Here is the result. We discovered that, yes, when the maternal cells are under stress, they are transferring stress signals by EVs and make the embryo unhappy. So knowing that this communication exists and EVs can transfer stress signals, we come up with this idea that maybe in future, introducing EVs from healthy donors to this case can help the embryo to recover and make it happy again for a better attachment and for better implantation. And introducing EVs can be performed during routine procedure of embryo transfer, which is performed in clinical application routinely. So with that, we hope that this kind of research help couples suffering from infertility issues. Thank you.